Good evening, everyone. A very warm welcome to all of you at the consulate premises. This international students, this is an issue which is very close to our hearts. It's not only because the students are here represented in sizable numbers, but also I fully understand and recognize the difficult situation and challenges that we have gone through during the last 15 months. This has never been easy. But at the same time, the presence of all the concerned stakeholders over here, starting from study NSW, Jenny West is here, the entire team is here, NSW police is here. I acknowledge your presence, and certainly you are one of the most important stakeholders for students. My esteemed friend Deepak Khatka is here. I have a warm welcome to you. And Nick Hockley, CEO of Cricket Australia, will be joining us shortly. That speaks volumes, that the priority we attach to this issue as a consulate. I know, as I said, last 15 months have been incredibly difficult, especially for students, because you are left here in isolation. I still recall last year when many of you were taking a decision whether to go back to home, to India, to Nepal, or to stay over here. It was a very difficult choice. Those who preferred to stay over here, it was again a very difficult, critical decision which sailed you through in this incredibly difficult period. But also, those who went back home, I fully understand their anxieties, because constantly they are in touch with the consulate because they want to resume their face-to-face studies. At the same time, I appreciate your resilience, your ability to sail these through in this very, very tough season, which probably, as Prime Minister Morrison says, once in a century pandemic. It's not easy for us even in the consulate also. During the last 15 months, there have been some very few isolated, disturbing incidents related to our international students also. And part of this largely owed to the isolation they have gone through. Sometimes we have seen the moments of despair, moments of being alone overwhelm you. But please, in those moments, please seek to counseling, medical advice, support from your friends. We in the consulate, our emergency lines are open, and as I always say, this consulate is always a home away from home for all of you. And that's why if you see the topic here, the 3 C's, when we talk about care, connect, and community, these becomes really important. And coming to the larger issues, you have come here as international students. This is the most important thing. And since many of you are from the subcontinent here, let me just focus on a few things. I know academics for us is incredibly important, and rightly it should be so. But at the same time, the international education, the aim for which you are here for, please also use this opportunity. It's about developing your personality. It's about expanding your social networks. It's about reaching out to the local Australians. And it's also about focusing on the things that you want to do from your hearts and minds. It's about sports and fitness also. Because coming from the subcontinent, I know many of us, when it comes to fitness, these things we think, okay, this can come later in our part of life. But the pandemic has taught us one thing. I think fitness is the most important thing, and that you can only build through a very sustained process. So please make sports, fitness also an integral part of your lives. Some of you would know International Yoga Day will be coming very soon. Every year we celebrate on 21st of June. This year on 20th of June, the consulate is celebrating the International Yoga Day at the Bradfield Park. If you are interested, please do join us. Today, with the presence of all stakeholders, I am more than confident it is going to be a great evening. I encourage each one of you, make it more interactive, clear your doubts, whatever you have the clarifications you need from us, please seek us directly. And feel free, the consulate doors are always open for you. Thank you.